1990 Topps Football Cello Pack. 34 card pack with one glossy card. It's a special 1,000-yard club card. Pick these up at McNulty Sports Cards. May try and get a cello pack box of these so I can make an attempt to compile a complete set. This is going to be video 1 of 2. We'll do another pack in video 2 of 2. All right, and there is no gum in these, which is nice because that means that we're not going to get any gum damage. Let's see what we can find in this pack. We'll start out with that 1,000-yard club glossy, and in this case, it's going to be Otis Anderson. 1,000-yard club card of Otis Anderson. Very cool. Card number 29. We'll take that. We'll put the glossy up on the stand just because it's glossy. All right, we got Scott Studwell, Gary Zimmerman, Mark Collins. These cards appear to be in great condition. Wyman Henderson, Tim Spencer, Joey Browner, Ken O'Brien, Chris Spielman. Why does that name sound familiar? Herman Hurd, Freddie Joe Nunn, Daryl Green, Eric Thomas. We've seen that card before. That's cool with him pointing. Pete Metzelaars, Ray Childress, Steve Folsom, Odessa Turner, Tony Tolbert, Topps All-Pro card of Anthony Munoz, Phil Simms, Dwayne Bickett, Gary Reasons, Topps Super Rookie of Robert Massey, Simon Fletcher, David Galloway, Roy Green, Richard Dent, Carl Mecklenburg, Steve McMichael, Topps Super Rookie of Derek Thomas, Rodney Carter, Ozzie Newsome, Andre Tippett, Greg Townsend, and finally Ernest Gibbons. That was, I guess, a bit of a dud. I'm not too familiar with football as I am with baseball. Didn't really, couple of names in there that remotely sounded familiar, but overall didn't really get anybody that I'm familiar with. And there's our glossy card. So there you have it. Video 1 of 2, 1990 Topps 34 card cello pack. Stay tuned. We'll see what's in the next pack next.